Hi everyone, I'm Lillian and I'm here to review the Marley Champion 2 earphones for Best Buy Canada's blog. I had so much fun over the past 2 weeks playing around with these guys, and I do have to say right from the beginning, I really loved using them at the gym. So in this review, I'll be going over their fit in terms of their comfort, and I'll also be talking about their sound quality. Now, if you want to check these out for yourself, you can click on the link in the description box below. So in terms of the packaging, the Marley Champion 2 earphones come in this compact packaging. All you have to do is slide open the bottom, and you'll see the earphones themselves in the case up at the top. I actually opened this box a couple of weeks ago. So originally, these guys came wrapped in some Marley logo tissue paper. Now, at the bottom in this little box is where the accessories are. So you flip it up. Then in there, you'll find a charging cable. Here we go. And you'll also find some comfort wings or sport wings and some extra ear gel. Now, if you lift up the entire box, that's where you'll find the manual and also the warranty. So in terms of the earphones themselves, the functions are really quite simple, and this could be good and bad depending on what you want your earphones to do. So if you want to stop or start a track, all you have to do is press once in the center of these little guys on either side. Now, if you want to return to a previous track, you have to press it twice on the left earbud. And if you want to move forward to the next track, you have to press it twice on the right earbud. Now, I tried figuring out how to adjust the volume on these guys, and I actually don't think you can. I mean, I flipped through the manual as well. So when I was using them, I just always reach for my phone to adjust the volume. All right, let's talk about their fit. So I found the fit to be very comfortable, even after 2 hours of continuous wear. I took them to a cafe and I had them on for over 2 hours, and I was not itching to take them off at all. Now, when it comes to fit on the treadmill, they also stay put while I was running on the treadmill, which is always nice to find out if you're wanting to use your earphones for exercise. Now, when it comes to the sound, I found the sound refreshing and energizing. There's a very nice balance between vocals and instrumentals, creating an upbeat feeling to the music. There's also a way for you to customize the sound, which I'll show you in just a bit. I also didn't have any issues with the battery life. I used them for a few hours over several days, and they were still very good to go. So here's me warming up for a run. So another really cool thing about these earphones is that you can download the House of Marley app, and once you connect the Champion 2 to the app, it gives you an option to customize the sound. So all I have to do is click on Customize Preset EQ, and you'll see that it has some preset sounds or soundscapes like booster, acoustic, and you can also have the option to customize how you want the bass to sound or how you want the treble to sound by moving each of these lines up and down and then saving it. So overall, I really like these headphones for exercise. I appreciate how simple and easy to navigate their functions are, and they're also quite intuitive, so it doesn't really take much to learn how to use them. I was also really impressed by how comfortable they felt in my ears, even after 2 hours of continuous wear. I can definitely see myself reaching for them if I'm going for a long walk or if I'm going for a run. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out Marley's Champion 2 earphones for yourself, you can click on the link in the description box below. Bye for now.